Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video on how to use AutoCAD using the relative coordinates and the polar coordinates, just to give you a quick jump into that. The polar stuff is pretty easy, but the other stuff is a touch tricky. So I just want to show you that when you open up AutoCAD, you won't have these recent documents here if you've never opened it before. If you have, then they'll pop up. So click on Start Drawing, and it should take you to this view right here. So I don't have a mouse, so it's harder to zoom in with this thing. But if I want to draw a line, just click the line. It'll start wherever you tell it to start. You can type in the values. So instead of picking the point, you can pick the point and start it. So I just left click and then I can draw. Or, so I'm going to escape. Escape gets me out of that. If I want to draw a line again, click on the line. I can pick any set of points. So if I wanted to draw this, sorry, not points, but point. If I want to pick a point, so let's say 10, 10. So I can type 10, hit the tab, go to the other 10, hit enter. There's my starting point up here, 10, 10. If I want to draw a polar coordinate, so if you remember that other one, if you look at the example that you did on paper, where you filled in the coordinates, if I wanted to make one that had a length of 10 and an angle of, say, 45, I can type it in that way. It draws at 1045, and then the next one I could go 20. Tab over. Tab will take me to the angle, so I can see my angle here, and I can move it and do it that way. But if I want to just put it in quickly, let's go an angle of, let's say 300. It goes 300 up from there. So that one was that one jumped up, and it's harder to zoom. So I'm just going to escape there. So again, if I want to draw another one, just pick a point. Sorry, pick a point on here. Pick a point of 0, 0. Starts at the 0, 0 point. And then I can say how long I want it to be. I want it to be 15. And I want my angle. And my angle is measured from there. So 30 degrees. Let's say 45 degrees. The next one, and it's, again, 20. And then you might want to go, so tab and put your angle down here and use the reference angle, get it in the direction you want, and then go 45. That will go down there. So that's how you draw it using the polar coordinates. If you want to use relative coordinates, pick your line again. So pick a spot. I'm over here and there. So I want it on the screen, so I'm going to go 25. 25, and let's go 10. So that's where my starting point is. And then I want to go over this way somewhere, or I want to go to the next relative coordinate. Then I type in the coordinate I want. So I start at 25, so let's go over another, let's say 10. And then hit the comma, and it'll give you the next point. So go 10 and then 10 more over. And then that went over 10 and up 10. If I want to put the next point, then I want to go straight down with it. Let's say I go 10, comma, negative 10. Then it goes down 10 in the x direction and then over 10 in the direction. It goes over 10 in the x direction and down 10 in the y direction. And I can do that, so I can just keep punching in my relative coordinates. So when you made that table of values, you can punch your values in. So 10. And then comma, so remember the comma if you want to go, so 10, 0, hit enter. That went over 10 and up 0, so it went straight over. Hopefully that clears up the difference between polar and, escaping that, the difference between them. If you want to save it, click Save As, put your file, put your name in here, right? So example whatever, and your name when you save it. So hopefully that clears that up. Just quick way between polar and relative coordinates. And remember to watch that other video which explains a lot of the start off stuff. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.